Today we're going to discuss the heating curve of water. So in our graph, we see that the x-axis heat is being absorbed, and we know that heat is thermal energy. Then we have our temperatures, which we're going to start at -40 and go up to 140 degrees Celsius. So keep this in mind, this is not Fahrenheit, this is Celsius. And this is just strictly for water. So before we reach 0 degrees Celsius, water is in the physical state of a solid. And we know it's frozen ice. Once it reaches that 0 degrees Celsius, melting starts. The amount of energy that it takes for water to start melting is called the heat of fusion. At 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, water is in the physical state of a liquid, which we know it's still water because these are only physical changes, not chemical changes. At 100 degrees Celsius, water starts boiling, and the amount of energy it takes for water to start boiling is called the heat of vaporization. Then past 100 degrees Celsius, water is in the physical state of a gas. It's as water vapor. So we know that even though it's a solid, it's still H2O water. When it starts melting and becomes a liquid, still H2O water. When it starts boiling and becomes water vapor and a gas, still H2O water. So all of these things that are occurring are just physical changes.